What's up you guys, my name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to do the 2-beat weave into a pinch. A couple prerequisites that you're going to want to have for this move are a vertical pinch and a 2-beat weave. A little tip for this move, you're going to want to have your vertical pinch and your 2-beat weave on the same hand. I spin counterclockwise, so it'll be in my dominant hand, which is my right hand. And then whenever you begin the trick for the 2-beat weave, whenever you push forward and then back, whenever you push back, that's whenever you're transferring into your vertical pinch. I like to let go of my index finger and my thumb whenever I'm pushing back. So whenever I push forward, I can push forward into that pinch. Whenever you're holding your star, you're not changing the placement of your hand. You're just seamlessly going from the corner of your star, letting go, and then you're gonna pinch right there wherever you're grabbing. Alright, if you found that helpful, please like and subscribe, and then we'll see you at the next tutorial.